Assalamualaikum and a good day to you. My name is Nurul Aiman binti Ehsan and my supervisor is Dr. Nurul Zawani Alias. I will be presenting on my review thesis which is titled A Review on Biological Properties and Products Based on Allium cepa Extract. My review thesis is composed of three main chapters. Firstly is the introduction, secondly is the literature review, and lastly, the conclusion. In the introduction, I will explain on the research background, problem statement, research question, and the objectives. Allium cepa are usually used in cooking as part of the most important ingredients in food. They are commonly known for their strong, unique smell and flavor as seasonings or processing food. In China and India, the onions are consumed with honey, fresh juice, or ginger for medicinal purposes by increasing the immune strength in a human body. Allium cepa extract reported to possess biological activities such as anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, anti-platelet, anti-parasitic, anti-asthmatic, and antimicrobial. Yellow, red, and white are the most common colors found in Allium cepa, and these onions are known to be rich with flavonoid content. Products have been developed in terms of scar treatment, hair treatment, and even in skincare products due to the healing properties of Allium cepa. There are plenty more benefits from Allium cepa than to just act as an ingredient in cooking. Onions used in traditional medicine worldwide has been proven to be a success, ranging from treating anti-inflammatory skin diseases in Africa to being used as repellents for insecticides in Egypt. Studies and researches were made in furthering understanding the components and mechanisms of Allium cepa in these traditional uses over time, which eventually lead to products being introduced into the market. However, within the public community, there is little information and exposure regarding the benefits of onions in these products. Thus, the research question that arise for this thesis review includes: first, what are the main biological activities that Allium cepa possess? Second, what are the most significant products that can be suggested based on the biological activities Allium cepa contain? The objectives will answer the research questions. First, to review the biological activities and products based on Allium cepa extract, and second is to suggest the most significant products of Allium cepa extract based on its biological activities. Then, the second chapter is for the literature review, which is composed of the traditional uses of Allium cepa and the biological activities and chemical constituents of Allium cepa. Traditionally, Allium cepa was used in managing a variety of ailments such as ancient Greece, such as a blood purifier by athletes. Furthermore, Allium cepa was also prescribed to heal wounds, diuretic, and fighters for pneumonia. Other than that, a review stated that for treating infectious diseases, Allium cepa is normally eaten uncooked or as a decoction. Different parts of the plant were used for treating different ailments. Examples include the dry peels, which contains mostly quercetin, quercetin glycosides, and oxidative products, gives pharmacological effect, while the seeds were used in treating diarrhea, calenture, and effervescence, and the hydroalcoholic extract of leaves were identified in treating obesity. The first biological property is antioxidant activity. Dietary antioxidants are significant in suppressing oxidative stress. This is due to oxidative stress could be the cause to the initiation and growth towards a few health issues. For instance, cancer, inflammation, diabetes, and heart diseases. A study concluded that the red onion is the most effective in DPPH scavenging assay, which high levels of quercetin and anthocyanin contents were found to exhibit strong antioxidant properties. Next is the anti-inflammatory activity. The defense mechanism, or also known as a protective reaction of the human body towards chemical, biological, or physical aggression, is known as inflammation. Flavonoids, usually quercetin and camphorol, are the compounds found to possess anti-inflammatory property in many plant foods. A study conducted on the aqueous extract of Allium cepa is effective in reducing vascular inflammation. This is due to the protein expression of vascular cell adhesion protein 1 was decreased. It is also noted that the production and histamine release along with allergic and inflammatory substances could be minimized by quercetin through the process of stabilization of the cell membranes of mast cells. The third biological property possessed by Allium cepa is antimicrobial activity. Fighting against infectious diseases, Allium cepa is known to be able to act as a potent antimicrobial agent. A variety of bacteria, viruses, and fungi were susceptible to many different solvent extracts of Allium cepa. Phenolic compounds and organosulfur compounds are examples of chemical constituents that were found in allium cepa to possess the antimicrobial activity. Quercetin and camphor are also discovered to be important in this biological activity. A study stated that the essential oil of allium cepa indicates a high antimicrobial activity could be shown by the in vitro antimicrobial assay results against few representative spoilage microorganisms. Then, the anti-diabetic activity is also present in the biological activity of allium cepa. Diabetes type 1 is insulin dependent, where the insufficient amount of insulin produced can cause negative effects towards the pancreatic beta cells. Meanwhile, in diabetes type 2, it is non-insulin dependent, which is unresponsive towards insulin. The presence of bioactive compounds that have hypoglycemic effect, which is able to decrease the blood glucose levels in allium cepa, is best proposed as one of the alternatives in treating diabetes mellitus. A study suggested that allyl propyl disulfide is the main active hypoglycemic compound by competing against insulin, which is also a disulfide in the degradation sites, while another study found that quercetin is able to aid in sugar-mediated insulin secretion. Next, the biological property contained in allium cepa is anti-asthmatic activity. Allium cepa possess anti-asthmatic activity where the relaxant effect is studied against the tracheal smooth muscle. The results showed a potent relaxant effect which is comparable with theophylline effect, commonly found in a drug used in respiratory diseases. The primary factors that play an important role in allium cepa giving anti-asthmatic effects are the inhibition process of leukotriene formation by the components present, which are quercetin and isothiocyanate. The relaxant effects does not only depend on quercetin but also with other flavonols such as tannins, camphor, and organosulfur compounds, which are diallyl disulfide and allyl propyl disulfide. Studies were made on allium cepa as it is potential to act as an insect repellent. Allium cepa is found to be one of the effective insect repellents used in controlling the buffalo lice. Both in vitro and in vivo studies showed the potential of allium cepa as a quick, safe, and a new type of leucicides in the control of lice and flies among water buffaloes. Another study concluded that among other plant crude extracts studied includes garlic, clove, cinnamon, ginger, and pandan, the highest repellency was achieved by the least concentration of allium cepa extract, which is 0.01%. Quercetin is the most common chemical compound found in allium cepa, which was detected to be carrying all biological activities studied in this review, followed by camphor, which was only detected in anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-asthmatic activities. Then, allyl propyl disulfide, which was found in antidiabetic and anti-asthmatic activities. There are several products which contain allium cepa extracts. Firstly, the overnight intensive patch by Contract Tubex consists of allantoin alongside the allium cepa extract was studied. The onion extract is believed to assist in the scars healing from the anti-inflammatory, anti-proliferative, regenerative, and antimicrobial activities. Another study proved that the proprietary allium cepa extract by Mederma Advanced Scar Gel could improve scar appearance significantly when applied once every day for 4 weeks. This study also states that the product from an onion extract consisting of a camphor, sapolene, quercetin, metalloproteinases, and thiosulfates could improve the appearance of the scars from surgery. The organic seeds shampoo for oily scalp made by Wamisa from Korea is found to contain allium cepa extract. Due to the antibacterial activity present, could avoid any fungal infections to occur, and the anti-inflammation property within allium cepa extract is also able to decrease any itching and further damaging the scalp, resulting to hair loss. Hair loss is a condition also known as alopecia and consists of two types, which are alopecia areata and androgenetic alopecia, which both can be treated due to the inhibition of the body's immune system attacking the hair follicles and the high amount of sulfur that can jumpstart hair growth, respectively. The Hero Scalp Post-Acne Gel main key ingredients found in this product includes mucopolysaccharide polysulfate, allium cepa, and pionine. This product had undergone clinical trials to test the improvement of existing acne scars appearance along with new permanent scars formation and dark marks. Allium cepa could decrease any infection due to the antimicrobial activity present and reduce any dark spots or red blemishes visibility. Moreover, this ingredient is required to quicken the process of healing any wounds, resulting a smoother skin. The main biological activities found from this review are proven to be suited in the existing products and could possibly be implemented in new products as well. Moreover, it is found that onion contains high amount of quercetin, which is the most commonly studied flavonoids that has multiple biological activities. As the benefits of allium cepa extract could give more towards the public, there are several improvements on existing products that could be implemented. and new possible products that could be created. Firstly, Allium cepa extract could be formulated in insect bite creams as they possess the anti-inflammation and antibacterial property. Both of these properties could avoid further irritation and scratching leading to wounds. Secondly, there are many studies made on benefits and significance in using Allium cepa extract as an insect repellent, ranging from fighting off viruses spread by blood-sucking arthropods to preventing livestock productivity from decreasing. Lastly, formulation of medicine can be created as the presence of anti-diabetic agents and anti-asthmatic agents, and Allium cepa extract can be an alternative to treating patients with diabetes and asthma. That is all from me. Thank you.